Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change payment method on Patreon. So go ahead and log on into your Patreon and go over to settings. Then under settings you're going to go over to more, click on it, and right here you can see some payment options. You're going to see payment methods, click on it. And for this account it doesn't yet have a payment method, but in your case you're going to simply click on add payment method. So choose if you're going to use your card or your PayPal and then put in the details. After putting all the details necessary, click on the add button and it will add your payment method. Now, if you are a creator and you want to transfer your existing memberships to the new payment method, you'll need to delete the existing payment method currently used for your membership. And then when you click on delete, which will be around this area, a message will appear asking you to choose a new payment method for your memberships. Select the new payment method which you added already, and then click on done when a confirmation message appears letting you know that your memberships have been updated. So let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.